video that I've made for you right now.
Hey, it's Amanda Kajik here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I can do almost everything from my phone, including I make my beautiful thumbnails for YouTube from my phone. And I'm going to go into Canva. I love Canva because it's a free app that anyone can use, and you have all the choices of templates for whatever you're looking for to post on. So say you wanted to go on Instagram or Facebook or Instagram stories, you would have that exact size that you needed already. I'm looking for a YouTube thumbnail, so I'm going to go up to the top search bar and I'm going to type in YouTube thumbnail. It will come up, and then I know that that will fit perfectly when I want to upload it with my video. So you can see here I have choices that I can use with different texts and different colors and images, but for today's example I'm going to use the blank template. And in order to make that, all I have to do is click on the little plus sign at the bottom right. I'll choose image in the options that comes up, and I'm going to go through my gallery where you can see that I'm not lying, I'm a very busy parent. I want to have it take up the majority of the space. It's a really good idea to have your face in your YouTube thumbnails. They just get better views. People want to see you and learn who you are, right? So I'm going to show you. It's not going to matter that it doesn't fit perfectly in there because I want to still add text. So let's do this. Then now I want to add text. So I'm just going to hit that little plus sign at the bottom right hand side again. I'm going to go in the graphic, and I want a nice bright color. So I'm going to choose, if you scroll all the way down in these graphics, I'm going to choose a bright pink. I like pink. Now you can see with those little circles on the corners, I can make it bigger or smaller, and this little half circle rotates it. So let's rotate it and place it. Just got to make it work. How do I want it? Probably like that. See what I'm doing here? I'm going to add text now, so I just click that little plus at the bottom and add text of your own. I can bring that wherever I want. I can make it bigger or smaller. Obviously you want it to really stand out. Okay, so obviously that does not pop very well, does it? So what you can do is, see the little circle at the very top of the page? You can go up there and you can have more options. So I'm gonna show you a little trick to make it pop. I'm gonna change this underneath to white, and then I'm going to go back and click the circle with the three little dots, and I'm going to click on the two squares that are hovering over each other. That means duplicate. So now you can see I have two. I'm going to change the color of that top one to black, and I'm going to make a nice little we could create a little shadow, I guess, or a highlighted effect like that. There you go, it pops a lot better. I need to adjust this, and I need to adjust the one behind it. All very easy by just clicking with your finger, just how you would when you're texting or doing anything else. Try this one now. Oh, I actually like that better. Okay, and there, do you see the option where it says filter? You just click on that, and I'm given choices. So I can leave it like this, or I can choose from these. Edge, epic, festive. I like festive. You see how I'm just clicking on things and moving them around? Okay, So now I'm going to hit save, which is the blue button with the arrow at the top right hand corner, and it can either go directly to wherever you want it to go, or you can save it to your gallery. So it's just going to save immediately to my gallery, and that's where I can go from there.